Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout button text in Woocommerce. This is a great way to personalize your store's checkout experience and make it more aligned with your brand or encourage customers to complete their purchase with custom messaging. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access your WordPress dashboard and make changes to your Woocommerce settings. Once you're logged in, we need to install a plugin that will give us the customization options we're looking for to change the checkout button text in Woocommerce. Start by clicking on Plugins in the left navigation menu. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new plugins to extend your site's functionality. From the plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your Woocommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Customizer. From the results that appear, look for Customizer for Woocommerce. Before installing, you can click on the More Details button to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This is useful to make sure it's the right fit for your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. It might take a while for the installation to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once your page refreshes, you'll notice the plugin is now active and ready to use. Look at your left navigation panel and click on Woocommerce. An expanded menu will appear with various settings and options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to the main Woocommerce settings page where you can configure different aspects of your store. Now, on the top Settings tab, you'll notice the newly added plugin appears. From here, click on Customizer. This will open up the customization options provided by the plugin. Under the Customizer page, click on the Checkout link. This is where you'll be able to modify various elements of your checkout page, including the button text. Once on the Checkout customization page, look for the Submit Order button field. Hover your cursor over the tooltip or the question mark icon next to it. This tooltip explains that this field changes the button text on checkout. Enter the new checkout text in the field provided. You can use something like Complete Purchase, Buy Now, or any other text that fits your store's style. Once you've entered your desired text, click on Save Changes. Your new checkout button text will now be applied to your Woocommerce checkout page. And that's it. You've successfully customized your checkout button text in Woocommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.